This has been so long in the making, bro. I've procrastinated this video more than any other video ever, but today is our last day in this room, so I'm gonna run you guys over what the fuck I've been doing in here, how I've been cooling it, and what the studio spot looks like. So let's run it. Actually, we don't even gotta go nowhere. UJ bought me this one actually. Shout out Russ. But anyway, these are some pictures from the summer. Those go crazy if you guys want to see those on my website. Moving on over here, Casey Neistat, a big influence in my life. Definitely, I watched him growing up a lot, so most of this wall is pretty much him. Like up here it says "Do More" by Casey Neistat. He always just used nails. He was just like, you know, all messy with it. So that's kind of the vibe I was going with. Anyway, whatever. This is my open gear closet, kind of. And I seen this on Pinterest, so I wanted to try it. Hopefully that works. If you guys want to try this, the link will be in the description as well. But yeah, if you guys are into content creation, if you guys are business people, like, you know what? Anybody, bro, get yourself a whiteboard. For me, this honestly helps me like organize everything. Anyway, put the fitteds up here, the green, because we live in Minnesota and it's just, there's not green all year round. Big Surge up here with a smile, because that shit inspires me. Big Surge actually right here. This took me a while, I'm not gonna lie to you. This is just a way for me to visualize like more bread coming towards me. Harder work will bring me towards that. I don't know, bro. If you guys want to try it, bro, try it. I think it just looks dope on the wall too. Favorite artist, Banksy. So, you know, I had to try to, you know, recreate some of his stuff. Teeth Discomfort, you know, shout out UJ. Bro, this shit goes crazy. I still haven't worn it. I need an adventure.
Don't you haven't worn it yet?
I'm literally saving that until there's like an actual adventure. Like I want to wear that in like, I don't know, anywhere, I don't know. Inspired by the fear of being average. This is something that I've been living by, I don't know, since I can remember. I just want to be different. There's no reason why would I want to be average. And all these people up here, these 6 people literally changed their lives by not being average, by literally just stepping out of their comfort zone and becoming who they want to be. And they don't care what other people think. So those are the people that I wake up to, go to sleep to every day. If you guys want to actually get into like the mental, bro, I would say definitely read a book. I know a lot of people just shit on it. They're like, what else do I need to do? Bro, just read a book. Like these books, I can't tell you how many times I felt like reborn or like something, like I just unlocked something new, bro. 2 of my favorite books that you guys can grab right now, which I would definitely recommend, is The Power Now. Great book. It's all in your head, bro. This book goes crazy, and it's Russ. Like the way he speaks, bro, he just got it right. Oh, I forgot about this one, The 4 Agreements, bro. So let's pretend I'm about to read this, you know what I'm saying? Put the feet up, change the light, bro, put the music on, get in the environment, just open the book and literally just zone out for, I don't even know, it doesn't even matter. If I'm getting into the book, I'll be into the book for like hours and I won't even notice. All right, so I'm gonna be straight with you guys. Sometimes I use this like every single month, every single day of the month, and I go off it, right? But I've been off it for a little bit. But this is pretty much, I don't know, if you guys don't want to have a digital calendar and actually write something down and actually feel like you're doing something, then grab that. I definitely use it a lot. But right here, this is probably one of my favorite spots to just like reminisce and look at. I made a hoodie, you know what I mean? Like we lived in a house with some of my favorite people ever, and we got it all on video too. Like it's just all that. So if you guys want some more Project 118, I know that we kind of stopped out of nowhere. But if you guys want that, if you guys want to see the memories and relive that time with me, let me know in the comments. Like, you know, I'll do all that because I kind of want to get back into that, but I'm not going to right away if you guys don't want to see it yet. Sometimes I like just being able to see everything that's in this room all in one corner, and I feel like this is the perfect corner for it. Got my speaker right here, so, you know, bang it whenever.
She moved out of state, shit that went left, she seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone, started for business. The daddy was not around, the mama was not around. I watched her climb.
This corner right here is special because like sometimes when you're in bed, the greatest stories that will ever be told, some of the best inventions that'll ever be made, it's just right in here when you're sleeping. So whenever I have a thought at all, I just write it down in the morning. I take a picture, you know, see what it was. Sometimes it's crazy. But look, anyway, we got pictures from Project 118 up here. Cool memories to have. And if you guys want to see those are on my website, ProjectSploosh.com. I have messages written all over my room, as you guys can see over there. And right here, this is like dream. So I put this above my bed just to like, I don't know. Maybe it has some form of helping who knows, but fuck it, we're gonna try it regardless. These are both actually painted by my mom. Look at this one. It's cool to me. It kind of reminds me of Inception. All right, so that's pretty much the room tour. I just wanted to show you guys where I've just been, you know, creating, doing all this stupid shit for the past couple of months. Next video, I'm gonna be going over my desk. So all the setups, everything that I've been working with, upgraded gear. Those will be the next videos, so don't miss out. If you wanna watch those, like, comment, subscribe, turn the bell on, because otherwise you're literally not gonna know when I post it. So stay tuned. I'm literally gonna film it right now, so see y'all soon.